What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have a lot of news related to the entire market and directly to Tesla stock. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we are forming the top of our fourth wave, and probably it might be right here. And we have to have one more leg to the downside that will complete the fifth wave, and it will be the end of the entire wave from this top to somewhere here at the bottom. And literally at this point, when I made one of my previous videos, I've told you that we have to have some kind of bounce to form our fourth wave, and then we have to have a rollover in order to complete the wave. And we are forming this pattern right now, and I have to say that I made a lot of videos on Tesla, and my win rate on this asset is more than 75, probably even 80%. You can watch the video in the description below or on your top right corner, and you might see how technical this asset is. I'm not bragging at all, I just want to tell you that you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the news. As you can see right here, we are deeply in red. S&P 500 lost 2.91%, Dow Jones lost about 2.73%, Nasdaq lost about 3.52%, and Russell 2000 lost about 2.73%. And definitely main reason of this bloodbath is the inflation. And let me show you the summary. Right here on investing.com you can find that we have extremely high numbers related to CPI. As you can see, we have 1% CPI month over month in May, and with the anticipation of 0.7% and with the previous number of 0.3%. It is a huge increase that almost tripled this number. On top of that, let me show you that core CPI data is still very high. It is about 6% right now, and the CPI year over year in May is 8.6% with the forecast of 8.3% and previous data of 8.3%. On top of these numbers, we have extremely bearish numbers with the Michigan consumer expectations. As you can see, for now it is only 46.8, and previously it was 55.2, and the consensus was 54.5. So we even broke this number, and it is extremely bad, I have to say. All these numbers shows that we are on bear market. And definitely we have to be cautious with these numbers, but all in all, Tesla is showing some good signs. But let me first of all show you this data. It is a new forecast, and we have two most recent ones. One of them from UBS Group, and they upgraded their rating from neutral to buy, and set a price target at $1,100 with the upside potential of more than 51.6%. And Barclays also boosted its price target from $325 to $370, but it is extremely low, I have to say, and it is the downside potential of 47.04%. And if you take a look on their position on fintel.io, as you can see, Barclays reduced its position by 28.94%, but they still hold more than $2 billion in Tesla. And definitely, why in the world, with this bearish forecast of $370, they didn't close their position for 100%. They just reduced its position for about 29%. It doesn't make sense. So let's continue with the news directly related to Tesla. And the main news right now is their stock split. And as you can see, Tesla just filed its annual proxy statement with the SEC, revealing plans for a 3-for-1 stock split, and that board member Larry Ellison does not plan to stand for re-election. And let me quote you this. In the filing, the company wrote of the proposed stock split, "Our success depends on attracting and retaining excellent talent, and that highly competitive compensation packages, offering every employee an option to receive equity, help Tesla to do that. We believe the stock split would help reset the market price of our common stock so that our employees will have more flexibility in managing their equity." And let me show you that the previous stock split was made by Tesla back in, let me show it to you right here, back in August 2020. And right after that, they lost about 30%. Let me show you more thoroughly. About 30%, about 40% of its value. But then Tesla regained all the losses and made profits of about 68% to their shareholders. And to its highest point, it was more than 129% of upside potential for its shareholders. Definitely, we might see some kind of consolidation phase in order to complete the bottom of our fifth wave, and right after that, we will have this bounce to the upside that will increase its all-time high level, and definitely it will be a very, very good sign. So let me show you another news directly related to Tesla, and it is quite important, I have to say. So we are on insidevs.com, and this article was published on June the 9th, and it's titled "Tesla Giga Shanghai to produce over 71,000 EVs in June. Things normalize at the Chinese plant, but the second quarter will be much slower than Q1." And let me quote you this. Reuters reports that Tesla aims to produce more than 71,000 made-in-China Model 3 and Model Y in June, according to an internal production memo seen by Reuters. Potentially, it might be close to reaching a new monthly record and a clear sign that Tesla's production is in full swing on two shifts. Nonetheless, assuming 44,301 units were produced in April and May, the second quarter will end at maybe 115.3 thousand vehicles. That's still far below 178,887 vehicles during Q1, Reuters noted. And definitely because of this number, we might see some lower growth on Tesla stock, and definitely it will postpone its major growth for several months. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Let me switch to hourly time frame and let me show you the latest movement in details. So we have this price action, and for now we hit again the range of support that I marked previously, and it is the price point of $691.16, and we bounced for a bit to the upside from this range. And I have to say that this range, in my opinion, shouldn't hold this price, and we might break it to the downside, and we might land at the bottom of our fifth wave, probably in the best case scenario as the double bottom pattern at roughly $617, or most likely we might see a lower price action that might hit probably the range of roughly $500. Definitely it is the confluence with the psychological round number. It is a negative 0.236 Fibonacci extension from the top, right here from the top of this latest internal third wave, and it is the confluence with this, I guess it is a golden pocket pattern. Let me switch again to 4 hours time frame. Yes, it is a golden pocket from the bottom. Let me switch even further to daily time frame, and it is the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. And this range of roughly $500, a bit lower than $500, might be very strong accumulation range, because it is the most probable range of trend reversal. So I think you have to be cautious with your swing trade position, with your swing trade long position. But if you want to invest in this asset, definitely you can accumulate on every daily red candle, and this will give you much more attractive average price, and this will bring you a lot of profits in upcoming months. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.